You know it's gonna be a good day when your coffee is the perfect color. Getting older is realizing that you do need vegetables. I've always been a fast food girly, but now I have to have a few fruits, vegetables throughout the day, or I just like don't feel well. I feel like I finally have a good makeup routine down. So I'm gonna show you how I do my makeup because I am going to get my hair done. And my girlies know how bad it is when you're sitting in the salon chair, looking at yourself in the mirror, questioning every decision that got you to where you are right now, and why the fuck you thought you'd look good with this haircut. So to avoid me dissociating and hating myself, we're gonna do my makeup and get the whole effect for when I cut my hair. First thing I do is I use this Glow Booster Moisturizer by Espresso. I'm not a beauty guru by any means. I am a depression guru, an anxiety guru, a I care too much guru. I always use this. This is the Hydro Melt Lip Mask by Sigma. When I tell you I stopped breathing when Sigma reached out to me and was like, hey, can we send you stuff? I'm like, yeah, you sure? Me though? I'm not a beauty guru. I'm expecting brands to reach out and be like, can I send you antidepressants, not makeup brushes? I've been doing the Mary Phillips makeup technique where you like do the contour, the blush under the foundation, and I guess it makes it look more airbrush. I think it makes me look less cakey. The makeup that you see on TikTok, the makeup that you see on YouTubers, online, does not look good in real life. I wouldn't say it doesn't look good. There's just a difference in how it looks online versus in real life. I think people forget that when you put stuff on your face, you're going to be able to tell there's stuff on your face. Also, this is the Color Stay Skin Awakening 5-in-1 Concealer by Revlon. After I do that, I go in with concealer, and this is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camel Concealer in satin finish and matte finish. I did not realize there were different finishes. Next, I'm just going in with the Cheeky Blush by Moret. I just want to give a, I was going to say standing ovation, but I'm sitting, to anyone who does their makeup online. Anytime I do get ready with me videos, I end up leaving my house looking like a clown. The amount of times I'll do my makeup like on live or make a get ready with me video, and then I go and see people, they're like, Ash, your makeup isn't blended. So if you can properly do your makeup and film a video at the same time, you're a bad bitch. For foundation, I use the L'Oreal True Match Nude in light medium. Also, I don't know if I said this, but this is not a tutorial. This is just how I've been doing my makeup. I'm gonna add a little more concealer under my eyes because the eye bags are bagging today, which honestly, I don't mind them that much. I've talked about this before, but I used to be so insecure about my under eye bags, and now I'm like, I'm kind of like a cute Tim Burton character. That's basically all I do for my like face makeup. But for my brows, I use the Brow Stylist Definer by L'Oreal in the color Brunette. My nails look like shit right now because my anxiety got the best of me and I chewed off all my nail polish last night. It was satisfying. It felt pretty good. But now I'm looking at my hands and I'm like, why did I do that? To gel my eyebrows, I use the Tint and Tame Brow Gel by Sigma. I am a very low maintenance girly. Like, I do my own eyebrows. I dye my own hair, I paint my own nails, and it's not because I'm like, I'm just like not like the other girls. No, it's because I am a control freak. If I fuck it up, I'm like, okay, well, I fucked it up. Like, I did it. What did I expect? But if I go to someone for a service and they fuck it up, I'm not the kind of person to be like, you fucked up, like fix it right now. I'm the kind of person to close my mouth, walk out of the salon, text you and be like, oh my god, I love it, and then cry because I actually hate it. This is my holy grail. This is the Revlon Color Stay Longwear Lip Liner, and I think it's in the color Mauve. I think, in my personal opinion, my very humble opinion, my very not makeup guru opinion, so similar to the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk one. And then for lipstick, I use the Confetto Aroma Light lipstick by Espresso. And then if we're gonna get real crazy, I use a clear lip gloss. This is Juicy Tubes by Lancome.
Hi, mobile order for Ashley, please.
Okay, could you have enough Ashley?
Thank you. But I'm not with it. I'm not Ashley. I'm with Ashley. Just had a conversation. I'm Josh.
At least they didn't question you this time about if it was your order.
Thank you.
I got a different kind of coffee. I got a medium iced coffee with 1 caramel swirl and then 1 toasted almond shot.
We just got back from Goodwill. We went to 2 different ones because the first one was a flop. The first thing, I saw it and I was like, I can't not get this. Like, I don't care how impractical it is or how stupid it is. Teddy bear slippers. These are from Old Navy, or no, Gap. Okay, these are so freaking cute. Look at these. The only thing I got from the first Goodwill is this sweater. The brand is Corbo. And then I got this yellow Eddie Bauer sweater for the spring and summer. I'm a sucker for graphic tees, especially in the men's section, so I got this Hard Rock Hotel Las Vegas long sleeve. Then I got this purse. The brand is Like Dreams. I've never seen this brand before. Okay, that's everything for like clothing, but let me show you what I got for our house. I'm so excited. Okay, this is the first thing. I think it's so cute. It says companion plants for the garden. I feel like Urban Outfitters would sell this for so much, and I think we got it for $5. And then for Josh's little man cave in the basement, because we have a pool table, I found this like chalkboard. It says join the game and write your name. I think it's so cool. It's like wooden. Great find. So excited about that. I just finished cleaning. Now I'm finalizing the episode for tomorrow because there's a new episode of Trying Not to Care tomorrow at 7 a.m. But when you watch this, it'll already be out. Also, look at this. We just casually hit 2 million all-time listens. Happy Aries season. It's the first day of Aries season. Yesterday, I think, was the first day of spring. Aries season, honestly, is just an excuse for me to be 10 times more annoying than I already am and expect 10 times more attention than I already get. So today is a content day where I like film and batch all of my TikTok, Instagram, podcast content. So this is today's schedule and to-do list, and you'll see that I have a bunch of things that need to get done, but then I have 3 priorities. Those 3 things are what I have to do. Those are my main priority. I can't do anything until those are done. And then if I get to the other things, like that's cool, but if I don't, then those just go into the next day, and that way I don't burn out. This is something new that I'm doing or trying out this month. I take like 9 photos from Pinterest that I want to recreate, and I put it into my Instagram feed, and these photos are what I'm going to try to recreate or take inspiration from, so that way I'm never out of ideas for the next month and I know what I want to post. I also made one for my podcast Instagram too. I just think I need more structure in my life, and it being Aries season, this is the perfect time to do that. So hopefully having a schedule for the day, planning a month ahead for content will make me not so overwhelmed. Right now I'm working on this photo, and this is what I have so far. I just threw together this rack of clothing of like jackets and shirts and stuff that I love, and then I also have to take a photo for ThredUp with this bag, so I just figured I would throw that on. But I need to get some shoes and stuff, so I'm gonna do that right now. This just goes to show how uncandid Instagram is. The next time you see a candid photo and you're like, oh my god, that's so effortless, like they didn't even try, their life is so cool. No, everything is curated. Everything is fake. I'm doing this thing where I try to plan an outfit every single day for TikTok. I saw a girl on Pinterest wearing this and it looked so cute, but I just don't know if it works for me. I look like a farm girl. But outfit details, in case any of you do like this outfit. Shirt is Calvin Klein, it's my boyfriend's. Vest is LF from Revolve, and then my booties are also from Revolve. And then I'm just wearing these shorts so my vulva doesn't pop out. And I believe these are from Free People. And then jewelry, this is from Every Jewels, and then these are, I believe, Forever 21. My favorite thing about working is the reward that I give to myself after I work. So today, we're going to Dunkin', getting a coffee, and I'm going for a walk. I'm gonna order my coffee on the Dunkin' app because every time that I order on the app, my coffee always tastes better than it does if I were to just order it through the drive-thru. I don't know if that makes any sense, but that's just what happens. But I think I'm gonna get a small iced coffee because it's already 1 and I'm not trying to have anxiety or shit my pants today, so we're gonna go with a small. Hi, mobile order for Ashley? Yeah. You just had an iced coffee? I can't find it. Thank you so much. I literally jinxed myself because I said ordering on the app is always the best option. I could have sworn that I clicked 1 and 1, but I did 3 and 3. So now I have 3 caramel and 3 coconut, and it's just so sweet. I'm recording on my phone now because it's just so much easier. Just me and my
cup of sugar. How New England of me to be drinking an iced coffee while there's literally snow still on the ground. But it's also somehow 60 degrees out. Make it make sense. Okay, that was a short walk, but I had to be home on time because Eversource is coming to look at our stove today. That's where I'm gonna end today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed spending a few days with me. If you want to keep up with me and be besties, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and my podcast is linked below, and check out the Try Not to Care Diaries. I uploaded 2 videos, so make sure to go check that out. That's it for today. I love you, besties, and I will see you next time.